Hi, I'm Ryan with PRUTCH'S Garage Door and More. In light of the recent fires that have been happening, we figured we'd do this short video to show you guys what to do in case of a power outage to open your door manually. This would be the case if you guys are getting evacuated and power has been shut down already, or if you guys have a surviving house and are allowed to come back in and the power still is not restored at your property. So the first thing you want to do is look up above at these two springs. These springs here, you may have one, you may have four, depending on the weight of your door. You want to make sure that you have no separation in these springs because this is actually what balances the door itself and makes it easy for you guys to open. If there is a separation in these springs, you will not be able to open your door. So to open your door manually, you are simply going to grab this rope and pull down. You heard that pop, it disconnects the door, and now your door can open manually. To open your door manually, you just find somewhere on the door to pick it up by, either the strut, the hinge, some even have a handle, and simply open and shut your door manually. See, open, and shut. Now to reconnect your door, once you do have power restored, you simply need to meet the two halves together. On a Chamberlain, Rainer, or a LiftMaster system like this, they will click automatically. See, now your door is reconnected. All right. Now, in case of an evacuation, if you do pull that rope and you cannot lift your door manually, please drive through that door. You can replace your door, you can replace your car, you cannot replace your life. Again, this is Ryan with PRUTCH'S Garage Door and More. Please stay safe out there.